Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Cooper. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the MINI Cooper lots of fun to drive. The cabin is roomy with plenty of front legroom and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows. Come take a test drive today.